Defense attorneys in 2 death penalty cases are challenging what they say is a discriminatory jury selection process. A judge heard arguments at the Duval County courthouse over that process today.
News 4 Jax reporter Marilyn Parker was there. Marilyn, the American Civil Liberties Unit tried to bring in leaders from Jacksonville's Black community to help their case.
Yes, they did. We're not exactly sure how far it will get. The judge still has to make a ruling. In this case, the ACLU is representing 2 men that were convicted of murders and sentenced to death. But those death sentences were thrown out. They were found to be unconstitutional. State prosecutors now are saying the ACLU's challenge of the discriminatory jury selection process is more of an issue they feel should be handled at the ballot box and not necessarily one for the court system right now. There are 2 pending capital resentencing trials in Duval County. Friday, their cases returned to court, backed by the American Civil Liberties Union. The ACLU is challenging the jury selection process, saying it removes jurors who don't want to impose the death penalty and disproportionately removes Black jurors from service.
We still have racial discrimination in our criminal justice system. We are all trying to eradicate it, but we're not there yet. We can't pretend like it's gone. It's not gone, and when people have distrust in the system based on that racial discrimination, and then the state takes advantage of that and excludes them from the process, and excludes them even though there's a lawful punishment those jurors can select, that violates the 8th Amendment's bar against death sentence infused with racial consideration.
A declaration from a professor showed in the 12 capital cases in Duval County in 2010, Black jurors were twice as likely to be removed as white jurors. Stoll mentions how local activists and community groups have done studies showing distrust in the criminal justice system goes back to legal lynchings.
I'm not quite sure how it goes to the statistical analysis regarding systematic exclusion at this time.
Well, if you see a greater opposition to the death penalty in the Black community, and then you see a greater exclusion of people from death penalty trials based on their opposition to the death penalty, there's your link.
The judge urged the defense to stick to legal issues, saying anecdotal statements are tragic but don't move the court in any direction. The state says the defense wouldn't want a jury of people who only consider death, and neither do they.
No juror has a right to violate the rules we all share. This is a fundamental principle of our justice system, and this side of the courtroom is arguing that because a person has more pigmentation in their skin, that they should not have to follow that.
Ms. Rahi says jurors are charged with considering punishments, and people of any race have feelings about the death penalty. Stoll says the opposition to the death penalty is greater today. The judge pointed out how white jurors will be excluded like anyone else if they can't follow the rules. Today, Florida lawmakers passed a bill to remove unanimous jury requirements for the death penalty. The cases of Douglas and Banks have been passed to May 17th, and that's when the judge will make a decision on the ruling. Reporting live, Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.
Marilyn, thank you.